Good afternoon, Athens. I'm meteorologist P.J. Gudz here at the University of Georgia. Now, for the past couple of days and last week, it has been beautiful. Temperatures in the mid-70s, and take it in now because we're watching Hurricane Ian now just to the north of Cuba, making its way to the western parts of Florida, and that's going to be impacting our weather within the next couple of days. If we take a look at the watches and warnings that are out now, we do have a hurricane warning from Tampa down towards Sarasota and Naples, 25 to 30 foot waves, 70 to 95 mile-an-hour winds, and 8+ inches of rain. That's what we can be expecting within the next 24 hours in this area. And if you're in orange, a solid orange color here, that's a tropical storm warning. So within the next 24 hours, tropical storm force winds. We could see winds 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusts up to 50, and also those 8+ inches of rain totals there. Now, we are expecting this hurricane to upgrade to a Category 4 hurricane here within the next little bit, so it is a Category 3 right now. By the time it makes it to Florida, we could see a major hurricane make landfall on the western coast of Florida, and then as it tracks to the north, it's going to weaken up to a tropical storm, and we are going to feel those impacts by the time we head into this weekend. So as we take a look at what the impacts are, the severe risks, not really going to see anything in the way of severe thunderstorms or hail, but the high winds and flooding is what we're going to be paying attention to for the next couple of days. So as we time this out, we can see Thursday morning it is going to be along the coast of Florida, making its way to the north. As we go through Friday morning, much of south and central Georgia is going to be getting that rain, but by Friday night and going into Saturday, much of north and northwest Georgia could start to see those bands of what would be Tropical Storm Ian making its way into the area. As we go through Saturday morning and going into Sunday, still much of the area seeing widespread showers and storms, but as we go into Sunday, it's going to start to fizzle out just a little bit, seeing some lighter showers out there as we go through Sunday and going into Monday. But like I said, the wind is what we're going to be paying attention to, because with the high rain totals and with the wind, trees could come down a lot easier. So Thursday at lunchtime, starting to see those gusts build as we go into mainly along 85 and southeast of 85. And as we go Thursday going into Friday, seeing some higher gusts get up there. As we go into Friday night and going into Saturday, you can see anywhere from 20 to 30 mile-an-hour wind gusts as we go into Saturday. So looking at that rainfall total through this weekend and going into the early part of next week, if you're in the red, 2.5 to 3 inches of rain, a couple of spots, 4+ inches of rain in the North Georgia mountains or along south and along I-20 through this weekend. This forecast is going to change, so I want you to stay tuned to Athens, Georgia weather and follow us on Twitter or any one of our student meteorologists on Twitter for continued weather updates.